What is going on, guys? So the AirPods 2 have just been released. So how do they compare with Samsung's Galaxy Buds? Let's compare. So let's start talking about the price, because the Samsung Galaxy Buds are $130 and the AirPods are $199. We're talking about the AirPods 2 with a wireless charging case. So it's a really big difference. It's a $70 difference. So let's go ahead and actually start comparing them with the case. The actual case of the Samsung Galaxy Buds is really good. You simply put your Galaxy Buds like that, they are magnetic, and just like that, they are actually charging. Same with the AirPods. A thing to notice about the Galaxy Buds is that if you actually do like this, they actually fall out. Instead, with the AirPods, they actually don't fall out. So the actual earphones will never actually fall out of your case, even if you want to. And if you actually do like that, they actually close, which is pretty cool. Another thing to notice, you can actually open the AirPods case with one hand. With the Galaxy Buds, it's kind of trickier. See, you can do it, it's just a little bit trickier. So I know this isn't a big deal, but of course we're just comparing, okay? The AirPods 2 are charged by a lightning cable, and on the Samsung Galaxy Buds, you charge them by USB-C. Now, I'm all for USB-C, so if I had to choose a winner by how you actually charge them, Samsung Galaxy Buds takes the win, because I love USB-C. I want to see USB-C everywhere. It's so frustrating because I literally have, I have my iPad Pro, my MacBook Pro, it's all USB-C, and then I've got my AirPods, which is Lightning, which is frustrating. But either way, you can charge both devices by wireless charging. Now, if you have the Samsung Galaxy S10, you can simply turn on, check it out, it's super cool. Wireless power share, so just like that, I'm actually charging my Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now, of course, you can actually do that as well with the brand new AirPods 2, because the brand new AirPods 2 have wireless charging as well. So wireless charging on both devices is so convenient, because before, when the first generation AirPods, it was just annoying how you actually had to connect them. This, you just lay them on a wireless charging mat and they instantly start charging. Now, the actual speed of charge of wireless charging on both devices is actually pretty slow. Now, let's talk about pairing, and I'm actually gonna say this. If you own the Samsung Galaxy S10 or basically any Samsung phone, I do definitely recommend the Samsung Galaxy Buds rather than the AirPods. On the other hand, if you own an iPhone or an Apple Watch or an iPad, you're going to love the AirPods way much better than the Galaxy Buds, because they basically connect to all your devices. They sync to iCloud, so whether you're using your iPad Pro or whether you're on your iMac or whether you're on your Apple TV and you want to put them on, they basically connect immediately on all of those devices immediately. Now, you're not going to get that on the Galaxy Buds. That's what I was saying. If you have like the Galaxy Watch, for example, or if you have the Samsung Galaxy S10, sure, you're gonna get a good experience. Now, fitting, how do they actually fit on your ear? Let's talk about the AirPods first. The thing that I love the most about the AirPods is that you simply put them on your ear without a problem. You can hear quite a lot of background noise, which is a good thing and a bad thing for a lot of people. It's quite safe to hear a bit of background noise when you're at the city and you want to hear the cars, for example. On the other hand, though, the Galaxy Buds have really good noise canceling, which is a good thing and a bad thing for a lot of people. A thing that I don't really like about the Galaxy Buds, though, and this is just personal opinion, is I'm not a big fan of earphones that really get into your ear. I'm just not a big fan because they totally isolate sound too well. But the Galaxy Buds actually have an app that you can actually turn off and turn on noise canceling, which is pretty cool, and you can actually pay background noise while you're actually listening to music. Either way, it works really well and the sound canceling actually works, but since we were talking about fit, I don't really like the way that they fit on my ear. Like, they're really in there and they're impossible to fall out, but I just like the way that the AirPods are, because you simply put them on, that's it, and you basically forget about them because they're so comfortable. On the other hand, where are my Galaxy Buds? Here they are. So on the other hand, as I said, see, you have to really get in there, and I don't know, I'm just not a big fan. Like, whenever I'm like 30 minutes out and I'm actually like 30 minutes with these guys on, I have to get them out because I don't know. Maybe it's just a matter of preference. Let me know in the comments down below. What fit do you prefer? Do you prefer like in-ear or like the fit like the AirPods? Let me know. I'm interested. Let me know in the comments down below. So on both earphones, you can actually customize the tap, the double tap, and the hold. So on my AirPods, for example, whenever I tap, the music stops. Whenever I double tap, there's the next song. whenever I hold their Siri. So there's a bunch of things that you can actually customize on the AirPods and on the Galaxy Buds. It's really awesome. So talking about Siri, the brand new AirPods 2 have always on Siri support. So it's really awesome when your hands are full and you can't really use them and you simply have to say the magic words, "Hey Siri," and call my uncle or get me directions to this restaurant. It's really cool because you basically don't have to double tap, because sometimes in life your hands are full. So it's going to be really awesome for that. Sound quality is pretty much the same on both devices. They don't sound the best, like you're not gonna get the best quality out of these earphones, but of course, you don't buy AirPods, you don't buy the Galaxy Buds for sound quality, you buy them for convenience, because the AirPods and the Galaxy Buds are one of the most convenient earphones out there, / headphones. I mean, they're so convenient, you're always gonna have them on. The AirPods, the Galaxy Buds for me is like too much. The cases on both devices feel really nice in your pocket. They fit perfectly. You basically want to bring them everywhere. So what is my final pick? Which one do I choose? Do I choose the AirPods 2 or do I choose the Galaxy Buds? Well, since I don't really like the way that the Galaxy Buds fit in my ear, I'm definitely gonna tell you to go with the AirPods, but of course that's just my opinion. If you don't really mind that in-ear fit that the Galaxy Buds are gonna give you, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S10, S whatever it is, definitely go with the Galaxy Buds because you're gonna love them. They are amazing. If you have an iPhone, if you're in the Apple ecosystem, if you have an iPad, an Apple Watch, definitely go with the AirPods 2 because they are an amazing experience for the Apple ecosystem. If you don't really care what phone you have, you just want to pick, I would definitely go with whatever fits your ear better. But in my opinion, I would definitely go with the AirPods because of the way they fit me. But of course, that's just my opinion. Don't hate on me. Don't call me an Apple fanboy. I mean, you clicked on this video. You wanted to hear my opinion. I mean, I'm still saying the Galaxy Buds are amazing and I love them and I use them and I still use them because right now I'm using the Galaxy Watch, I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S10, so I'm trying out the Samsung ecosystem and they're great. But once again, if I had to choose one, I would choose the AirPods. So that's pretty much it for my video, my conclusion on this video. If you're not okay with my answer, if you were expecting me to choose the Samsung Galaxy Buds, you're wrong, bud.